Bedtime battles, treat it like a sprint, not a marathon. When bedtime drags, everyone loses sleep and patience. But here's the thing, if you think like a project manager, you can turn the chaos into a calm, predictable routine. In project management, a sprint is a short, focused burst to complete a set of tasks. Bedtime can work exactly the same way. Start by mapping your evening in the same order every night. Dinner, story time, pajamas, brush teeth, family prayer, lights out. When kids know what's next, they resist less. The routine becomes muscle memory and you move through each step faster with less drama. And here's the pro tip. Always finish with a clear definition of done. Lights out, no devices. That way everyone knows when the sprint's over. So, what's the one thing that always delays bedtime in your house? If you enjoyed this, share it with a friend and subscribe at my YouTube channel @CharlesMentorTips for more project management tips from everyday life.